Okay guys, time for an update. So Minirod is finally back into the new shed. Got it back home and we're ready to do some work on it. So basically we're going to pull the whole thing down, finish everything off, fix up a few little things that we had go wrong, and then make some body panels, make it look all pretty and drive the hell out of it. So just have a little look around. There we go, it's filthy as you can see. Radiator, he's bolting back up. Yeah, we've still got to fix that issue with the gear shifter, but once I pull the motor out I'll fix that up. Tidy up a bit of wiring. The steering was a little bit slow, so this one here we're going to cut that about in half and shorten that just so that for every turn up there it throws a little bit further. It'll be a lot quicker. So yeah, modify that. Everything else is pretty good. We're just going to pull everything off, make it look pretty. Yeah, just make sure everything's right. And yeah, make a few sets of body panels to make it just look really cool. We've still got to make a little brace here. I'm going to run some steel across there and down there, and then some little brackets that go to this bit here, just because the frame's just like a 50mm section along there, and it does flex a bit when you push down on that. So if I brace it to the back of the motor there, it should take the flex out. I just want to leave it looking so it's kind of just got open rails. I'd rather not run anything up here or across here. So if I can brace it off the back there and use the motor as sort of a structural member, that'll help the whole look of it. So turbo and everything looks good. We'll just pull that all off, might polish the carby and the turbo and stuff up. Just yeah, make everything finished, so it's going to look really cool once we're done. What else have we got going on? Here's the truck. We brought the truck over. This we've got to use it to take a vehicle, or a couple of vehicles next weekend to a little event in Wagga. After that, it's going to be, the whole tray is going to be getting modified into a full sort of a straight ramp up the back, all new sides with cabinets. Going to deck it out and get it all sort of running beautiful. So lots happening, but there we go, this is the priority.